Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have it all while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer lies in understanding the true purpose of wealth, and it's not what you might think. In this eye-opening video, we'll reveal 15 shocking purposes of wealth that go far beyond mere material possessions. You'll discover how wealth can transform your life in ways you never imagined, and why not knowing these secrets could be holding you back from achieving your full potential. From unlocking hidden freedoms to reshaping your very identity, this video will change the way you think about money and success. Don't miss out on these game-changing insights. Subscribe now to ensure you never miss another life-altering revelation. 1. The wealth-money paradox. Unmasking the true nature of financial freedom. Wealth and money are not synonymous, contrary to popular belief. While money is earned through active work, wealth grows independently, even while you sleep. This crucial distinction highlights why focusing solely on earning money can lead to a cycle of financial stress. Consider the case of a high-earning surgeon who, despite a substantial salary, remains trapped in debt due to lifestyle inflation, versus a modest business owner whose passive income streams provide true financial freedom. 2. The happiness equation: how wealth solves the money problem puzzle. While the debate on whether money buys happiness continues, one thing is certain: lack of money breeds unhappiness. Wealth acts as a powerful antidote to financial stress, providing a buffer against life's uncertainties. Imagine the peace of mind of someone like Warren Buffett, who can weather economic storms without worry, compared to a middle-class family living paycheck to paycheck, constantly anxious about unexpected expenses. 3. Assets versus liabilities: the secret to building lasting wealth. Understanding the difference between assets and liabilities is crucial for wealth creation. A personal residence, often considered an asset, can actually be a liability if it drains your resources. However, when that same property generates rental income, it transforms into a wealth-building asset. This principle explains why real estate moguls like Donald Trump have built empires through income-producing properties rather than personal luxury homes. 4. Generational wealth: breaking the cycle of inherited debt. Wealth has the power to break the cycle of generational poverty and debt. Instead of passing financial burdens to their children, wealthy individuals can provide a foundation for success. Consider the Rockefeller family, whose wealth has endured for generations, providing opportunities and financial security for their descendants, in stark contrast to families trapped in cycles of debt and limited opportunities. 5. The freedom to fail: how wealth unlocks your true potential. One of wealth's most powerful benefits is the freedom to take risks and learn from failure. This safety net allows for innovation and personal growth that might otherwise be too risky. Elon Musk's ability to invest in and develop multiple groundbreaking companies, even after initial failures, exemplifies how wealth can fuel persistent innovation and ultimately lead to world-changing success. 6. The age and responsibility factor: wealth's role in life timing. Wealth provides the luxury of pursuing dreams regardless of age or family responsibilities. While a young single person might easily take risks, a middle-aged parent with financial obligations faces much higher stakes. This explains why individuals like Jeff Bezos, who had a financial cushion from his time at D.E. Shaw, could take the leap to start Amazon in his 30s, while many others with similar ideas but more financial constraints couldn't. 7. The privilege paradox: understanding the head start of inherited wealth. While many criticize those born into wealth, the advantages it provides are undeniable. Wealth offers access to superior education, connections, and opportunities that can significantly boost one's chances of success. The story of Paris Hilton, who leveraged her family's wealth and name recognition to build her own business empire, illustrates how inherited advantages can be a powerful springboard for personal achievement. 8. The safety net effect: how wealth encourages bold career moves. Wealth allows individuals to pursue passion projects or career changes without fear of financial ruin. This freedom can lead to innovative ideas and personal fulfillment that might otherwise remain unexplored. Consider J.K. Rowling, who, supported by unemployment benefits, could afford to focus on writing Harry Potter, ultimately creating a literary and financial empire that would have been impossible had she been forced to prioritize immediate income over her passion. 9. The multifaceted self, wealth's role in personal exploration. Society often pushes individuals into narrowly defined roles, but wealth provides the means to explore multiple facets of one's personality and interests. This freedom of exploration can lead to a more fulfilled and well-rounded life. Take Leonardo DiCaprio, for example, who used his wealth from acting to become a prominent environmental activist, filmmaker, and entrepreneur, showcasing how financial freedom enables the pursuit of diverse passions. 10. The lifelong learning curve, how wealth fuels. Continuous growth. Wealth offers the luxury of lifelong learning and personal development. It allows individuals to invest in new skills, experiences, and knowledge throughout their lives, leading to continuous growth and adaptation. Bill Gates, who regularly takes Think Weeks to read and learn about new topics, exemplifies how wealth can facilitate ongoing personal and intellectual development, keeping one relevant and engaged in an ever-changing world. 11. The passion pursuit, wealth's role in non-monetary fulfillment. True wealth allows for the pursuit of passions without the need for monetary gain. This freedom to engage in activities purely for personal satisfaction can lead to a more fulfilling life. Warren Buffett's dedication to bridge, a game he plays not for profit but for the sheer enjoyment and mental stimulation, illustrates how wealth can enable the pursuit of interests that enrich life beyond financial measures. 12. The time liberation, wealth's most precious gift. Perhaps the most valuable aspect of wealth is the freedom it provides over one's time. The ability to choose how and where to spend time, rather than being dictated by financial necessity, is the ultimate luxury. Oprah Winfrey's ability to step back from her daily talk show to focus on personal projects and philanthropy demonstrates how wealth can liberate time for pursuits aligned with personal values and interests. 13. The inner voice silencer, how wealth quiets societal pressure. Wealth can provide the confidence to silence the internalized voice of societal expectations. This freedom allows individuals to shape their lives according to personal values rather than external pressures. Mark Zuckerberg's decision to pledge the majority of his wealth to philanthropy, despite potential criticism, shows how financial security can empower individuals to act on their convictions rather than societal norms. 14. The identity liberator, wealth's role in authentic self-expression. True wealth allows individuals to break free from societal molds and express their authentic selves. This liberation from the need to conform for financial reasons can lead to innovative thinking and unique contributions to society. Lady Gaga's ability to express herself through avant-garde fashion and music, regardless of commercial pressures, exemplifies how wealth can enable authentic self-expression and artistic freedom. 15. The constant evolution, wealth's support for personal reinvention. Wealth provides the means for constant personal reinvention and growth. Rather than being locked into a single identity or career path, wealthy individuals have the freedom to explore new aspects of themselves throughout life. Madonna's numerous reinventions throughout her career, from pop icon to children's book author to film director, showcase how wealth can support ongoing personal and professional evolution. If you're intrigued by the prospect of a life transformed by true wealth, your journey is just beginning. Our previous videos delve deeper into the strategies and mindset shifts necessary to achieve this level of financial freedom. But be warned, the path to wealth is filled with surprising twists and unexpected revelations that may challenge everything you thought you knew about money and success. To continue your journey towards financial liberation and personal fulfillment, click the link in the description below. Your future self will thank you for taking this crucial step towards a life of true wealth and freedom.